Review the plan. So I gave two demand zones, right? So this is green line, this is daily. Let's look at where we are. So we are really, this is last demand zone, 200 moving average, SPY. And there is another one below this, 5,700 to 5,660. Whenever you look at this big green candle, this is volume gap. So if this level doesn't hold, we can easily go to 5,600 to 5,563. That's really, I mean, you're talking about last August carry trade. Carry trade didn't even last this long. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 days. We have 3 straight weeks, 21 days. Now we have how many days? 20, today's Thursday. We have 20 days straight down. Not no any. Like okay, so this is weekly, week to week is a strong demand zone too. We're really running out demand zones to be honest. And so what's next? So let's look at the volume profile and what I see. Um, on daily, really, this is strong support. See here, this is really like a huge base here. So it should if we rally from here, we rally to it won't be too big. So if we rally 58.70, 58.80 here is possible, and then 59.46 uh, potentially. So I don't see we go above 6,000 before the next leg down. Um, so that's why we need if really rally to this level, 59.50, we need to gradually take a little bit profit. Let's look at NQ. NQ, all the zones I give is done. Like the downside target actually didn't quite hit, but so now we have one, what is coming? Two, right? And then three. So the whole, we are not even near POC yet. So the value area high and POC here. So we do have really strong support. I would say somewhere 919662. So here, if we do get about this 2730, 1, 2, 3, I think three at least to 21170. So if we go to 21170, we need to offload some of the, but it doesn't mean we won't get there. Like 1, 2, 3 could be also just be here. But above here is a huge volume gap, so we could go to 21170. But I don't know what could be the reason to push the market up. Right now, it seems like there's none. But I think eventually people get tired of it, like say, hey, they don't want their Q1 no bonus, right? Like, do you think the Wall Street want a year-end no bonus? I doubt it. So let's look at SPY QQQ. So two downside target, we're very, very close to 567. But look at this downside target could be here. Regardless, I went back to last how many years? see if we had a bad, like what is April like, March. So this is 2024. We had a bad March and mid-March and then all the way up and then really the beginning, really just up for like 2 weeks and then down again. So we may take a little bit time rally and then come back down again. And okay, so what's going on? Let me get me more data. 5 years, 10, how about 10? Okay, 10 years. And then this the 2023. 2023, we had a bad March and start to rally from mid-March all the way to beginning of April, and then been just really ranting. So April hasn't really been excellent, but 2022, that's the tariff year. Like no, 2022, not tariff year. That's the we have the really the biggest drop. So start from mid-March and rallied. And really, April is also bad. So I'm not really convinced April is going to be a good month. And that's why, so if market have a rally, so this is March, and also March, early March start rally and drop all the way to, and then this one is really good, April. That's the only, this is 2021. 2020, we know what happened. So this is kind of somewhat abnormal. March, mid-March drop and then just keep going. So I don't know. I'm not really convinced that we may have a rally into April, and then April, I'm not sure it's gonna be all rosy. So that's why this year when Trump being elected, I'm like, it's gonna be all this shenanigans, like craziness going on. So anyway, I don't know how much further gonna drop. No one knows really what's going on. Anyway, so this Q's already dropped more than they both hit 200 moving average. Okay, so let me get my thing back. This is where's my data? Okay, so I want to show you, hey, I want to show you guys, we are not only at 200 moving air support, also this support. So can they have another leg down? And the SPY, the BLW, so we are already 9, candle 9. So usually when we have a candle 9, it could have another flash down and then going up. So I am really ready. I have one more batch of adding tomorrow morning and then be done really. Who is waiting to join the meeting? Okay. I don't see. Okay, wait. She's in there. I see a Zoom user want to raise your hand. I don't know what you want to do. Jesse, I'm gonna make you a co-host in case someone's coming in. Okay, so that is that. Really, the only downside demand zone I have left is here. Losing that, this is huge gap can drop really fast to this level, 540. That would be, if you look at SPY, that would be the monthly. This chart is not new to you guys. That's why I keep saying 540. Look, 540 is monthly wave 4. Are we going to just keep dropping? Or we are going to have a bounce and going back up a little bit and then come back down. But either way, we are daily V1. So if we really do bounce somewhere, 600, I think is a max I see at this point. We are 572. So that's if we can go to 600, at this point, I highly doubt that we can go to 600. But on daily, I think we're almost there. We're oversold in all levels, and then we have positive divergence here. Any good news could push the market going. But so far, this is 30 minutes time frame. There's no any higher highs. It all lower high, lower low. And so I kind of regret here, didn't do puts. And I totally forgot to short. Yes, I just, my head didn't click. And I did have a couple QQQ put shared in my trade channel, 596, 590, 496, 498 for QQQ. They both are up pretty big. I don't know whether any of you guys followed. So tomorrow, you see this is gonna tilt back down again. So probably we're gonna see 5,700 if anything, and then we go. Okay, so Bitcoin Trump signed the executive order name as a like Bitcoin, some kind of whatever government hold Bitcoin as the crypto reserve. And clearly, Bitcoin didn't like it and had a sharp drop, but it's going back up a little bit. But here, I feel like we're going to tilt back down and I'm going to drop here. Whether we're going to go up a little bit and then drop, or we drop first and then go to the target here. We don't know. So yield, uh, pre-market, I said it could be go to 4.34 here, may even go to 4.4 and hit the first level and then have a drop. Look like we might have a tail back down. And both TLT, TMF have the gap filled. I did not participate TMF this round. I thought about it, but then I just don't feel like I have too many ticker. But TMF may actually be a good buying level if you don't have any. I want to see what market is doing first before. So dollar may have fine support. Look at 2 daily and the 2 upside. I think at most it will go there before going back down more. Gold. So I don't know. I want to get into gold at this level. It's just too high for me. I'm not interested much. Let's look at the S&P sectors. I see XLB has been consistently having money flying in, flowing in the last 3 days. And so who do we have? We have APD, right? APD is one of the tickers that we have done many rounds. And what was the 304 was our first buying level. I think APD right now 310 still holding. And energy has been having money flowing in. And actually home builders, Nail has a huge pop today. So I have position in Nail. I think that's the only ticker I have actually in home building. And XLI doesn't look too bad. And utility give back a lot of I'm surprised actually utility dropped so much. It may actually be not a bad idea to add a little bit. And finance give up so much. So JP Morgan, XLF. So 1, 2. So this is gonna start dropping. XLI. 1, 2, 3 is going down. XLB. material will come back down too. XLU 1, 2 is not XLE, XLV, V 1, 2, and then come back down. Who else? XLY. XLY actually is not too bad. It may be done with this. The ticker would be what? Tesla and Amazon. Tesla is done, wave 5. It filled the gap 100%. Let's look at it on all the mega tickers. Tesla. So Tesla, when it was here, I said it's going to be wave 5 down with target 290 something, and worst case scenario could fill the gap. So we fill the gap. Not 100%, a little bit left. So if weekly level, let's look at weekly level. Weekly level is still, even though it's below this band, but it's still above this pivot point, like this too. This as long as this pivot point like holds, the wave 5 up is still okay. So if we have a big rally, this thing may go. NVIDIA, it has to hold 110 here. If not, we're going to really, the stronger support is really here, not 190 something. So I'm really hoping this is done. Amazon 200 moving areas and this support. If losing this, we're gonna see another $7-8 drop, which is fine. I mean, if for long term, really, if you have cash and you can buy some, this is a perfect time to build. And so Microsoft 52-week low, it dropped below August carry trade. I mean, can you believe that? This is excellent company. So every time this is bounces, this guy actually move much faster than the market. So it's a good ticker to have. I do have Microsoft like dollar cost average in my M1 finance, but I have a lot of MSFU, the 2 times ETF. I've been in and out. Like when it pop, I acted 500 or 1,000 shares and drop back. So I think if we have another leg down tomorrow, I'm just gonna buy and hold it. So finally, Netflix dropped, and I gave the first level near 845. I doubt it will drop to, but if we have another little bit more downside, it may actually at least come to 875. I have no position on this, nothing. But this, if it goes, the upside potential is pretty high, at least 20-some%. Meta, this daily uptrend is still intact. 620 is fine. This is only 100. All the other ticker hit 200. So still more positive than any other tickers. So I have a FBL. FBL, I think we only hit the first level or 2-level buying. I think we only hit the first level, second here, and third here. Let me double check. Yep, we hit 2 levels, 38 and 38 here, and then 37. Actually went up 40. I didn't take profit. And now my overall position is slightly red. Average price about 37 something. Right now is 36. Is at my second buying level. I'm fine. If this goes up and my Meta goes back to all-time high, this could be 52 to 55, which is not bad. Um, Google. Google has been bouncing. It only dropped 25 cents. So it really has been bouncing. So this sticker is really cheap. And if I have to choose, like if I have 100,000, I can only buy two tickers. I will buy Google and Microsoft. Why is that? Because they two are always bouncing before the market. They drop too much. So it's good to have. I don't have a Google position. It's only in the FNGB. So I'm debating whether I should add Google. What is a Google two times ETF? I think Google two times ETF would be nice. Apple. Apple has been holding really well compared to all the other tickers. So I don't have shares, but I have a 235 call position. GGLL. Okay, I might buy some of that. Let me see where it is. GGLL. Okay, so let's say we're at the first buying level. And do you guys want me to share this or you guys have enough in your plate? This second. I thought that the second level may even get hit. Third, because clearly wanting to go back up. So I'm gonna share it regardless you guys want it or not. I impose. Okay, so long-term portfolio, GDLL. Okay, so this is two times of Google. Two times. All right, so that is that. So that's all I have here. I don't have any of the, I took some profit at AVGX here. Um, I bought two batches here. So I bought the first level 2130, something like that, and second level. So I'm out. I'm out. I didn't sell the highest level. Um, because I was in the gym and then I saw it's popping. And so I sold 23.7, 23.7, 23.4. I think I tapped 23.1, but it doesn't matter. You guys know that I sold. I had 3,700 shares. I sold 1,500, I think, or 1,200. I think I sold 1,500. And so now is I want to come back down a little more. I'll add it. If it doesn't come back down, I'm not adding this anymore because it's higher now. I want to add to FBL or GGLL. Okay, so that is all I have. I'm gonna be traveling this weekend, coming back on Monday evening, I should be home. And Monday throughout the day, if I'm in the airport or on the airplane, I should be able to update. If not, so you guys already know the levels, what to buy. So just put a limit order. That's all I did. I just put a limit order on and even in the morning because my tree station option changed so bad. So I'm doing experiment on IB on the option, and it keep telling me that I don't have data. I don't know why. I don't think we're going to have a big red day from here. I hope not, finger crossed. Um, I'm also testing. I'm gonna transfer a little bit money to TOS. So I want to see which one. So far, I have been using TOS option chain to confirm, TradeStation price. You know how TradeStation, how bad it is? It's so bad. I was doing SPX call yesterday, 5,800 for March 24th or 31st. The date's not important. My options change shows like 105 and I couldn't get filled. And then I look at TOS, it was 112. Can you imagine? I mean, that's how big the price difference. And so I realized in the past, like when I do NDX call and the price went up so much, and my option price didn't go up because I paid so much extra without knowing it. That's why I'm like confirming from my IB from TOS before even placing any trades. And I literally cut back on option because of that price. It's on daily time frame. If you do zero DTE, your price is 10-20% different. It's hard to make money. No, I took profit on all the hedges. I think near somewhere 5,800, I think. No, all gone. We did a June, we did September, SPY, SPX, and a single leg and a bear put spread. Yeah, I'm not doing FNGA, I'm doing FNGB this. So I was thinking I have I want to say I have 5,000 shares, but without looking at, I don't know. You guys may know more than I do because I shared a screenshot. This is a good price to buy VST. You don't really have to buy everything same as me. For me, I'm really just consolidating. It's easy to come in and out. Like I'm literally just going with market, nothing else. I have been wanting to do like this for years. So market up and I'm up, market down, I'm down. So I'm doing big swing trades on the market, and I didn't do TQQQ share this round. I did a TQQQ calls. So I had yesterday I put 20 contracts on. Today I put 20, and then I exited. And then when this drop, I put it back on. So my goal, because it's so cheap, only $8, $8.25, something like that. So I'm planning to do at least 100 contract for TQQQ. Because the leap, so I'm not so worried about it. I might also look into, I think I put on June, whether I can move to January 2026 and then just don't look at it. So anyways, I think VST is really good price. There is so many tickers at good price. So right now it's wave three. The real support is weekly. Let's look at daily. Daily also wave three. I think the stronger support maybe 105, 105 and then 96. So 105 would be this breakout retest, and then 96 is the gap fill. You could sell 95 Cascure put. I did do QQQ call too. I did a 100 contract QQQ call. That's a little bit crazy. I'm up. So I got filled at 42.80. Um, so I think I TQQQ is cheap. That's why I did it. QQQ is so expensive. But my TQQ is June, QQQ is January. I'm not planning to move it. So a lot of my calls are leap because I don't want to pay capital gain tax. So the TQQQ is in my IRA account. It doesn't matter. I can get in and out, like take profit every day. I won't have to pay tax. But for QQQ, I went long because I don't want to pay tax. That's why I did a lot of leaps. Um, and I don't even look at it for now. So anyway, so this is a good ticker to have. And another ticker really good, ANET. I mean, this ticker it was our love for a while and it's out of control. So now it's coming back to the W bottom. And if you want to add some, it's perfect time to add some. In the long run, this guy can go back to 140 again. There's so many good tickers. We can't just get everything. And this ticker, I really like this ticker too. So month ago, last year, I saw this coming down to this level, and it did. So it's bullish divergence, and if you want to buy this instead, this guy could look at this where it went. It came from $500. That's really ridiculous. But even if you just go back up to 154, that's still 100% gain almost, right? So that's why I keep emphasizing if you didn't take stop loss yet, this is not the place you cut loss. I know some of you have a significant drawdown. Like a day like this, even what I added had more than 10% down. And then I added even this round because my position size is pretty big. Like not 10%. About like I think today it was near 50,000 down. All my entire portfolio is kind of brand new. So when you have a larger position, you see bigger drawdown, but then the AVGX gave me a big profit. So tomorrow my account probably is like a breaking even. But every day, like in the last week or two, I did a little bit like short-term trades. I have been taking about like 50 to 60,000 profit on my retirement account too. So dear, like a little bit short-term trading for fun, but long-term, the big wealth still going to be the holding your shares. You really have to be disciplined. Look at the Excel table, how I design my portfolio. And that's in library. That's in my first basic class too. You have to do it. There is no shortcut. So if you want to grow your wealth, that's how you do and how you can. Like everybody's so scared, but this is really the time you accumulate wealth, and it could go monthly wave five up can last for a month, last to a year could also. So you don't want to miss opportunities like this. And to be honest, I don't really feel any fear this round. So let's see what's happening. And Sunday, we are not going to have market recap, but I will send plan. And I will see you guys on Monday. See you guys tomorrow. I'll be here tomorrow. And then see you guys on Monday. Tuesday, we'll be back to everything normal. All right, guys. Bye.